Evening and welcome back to another Toyota Celica video. I'm in 1991 Toyota Celica, and in this video I'm going to carry on with the brakes. I've got some new pads, so I'm going to get them fitted. To get myself some pads. So what I'll do is I'll loosen these caliper bolts. $14mm. I've ordered some new studs, so when they come I'll get them fitted. There was this one, front right, and a rear one. I'm just hoping the rear one's going to be as easy as the front. And that's the piston pushed in. Unfortunately I'm missing most of that, but the pads are in, and there shouldn't be any resistance when you're putting them in. So I'm just tightening up the caliper bolts, and that's new pads fitted on this side. If I take it all apart when I fit the new studs, but they've not arrived yet. All I have to do is just nip it up. Don't have to go mad, especially with a 1/2 inch ratchet. Do up this top one. There we go, so that's all done. Yeah, and I can move the caliper. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bleed this caliper, because there doesn't seem to be any breaks. So we'll bleed up fluid in, bleed all fluid out and see how that goes. Okay, I've got my trusty one-man bleeder on. I thought I managed to undo the bleed nipple. Can just about get to the reservoir. It's at the top of the strut brace. So let's see if we can get some fluid out. So yeah, there's plenty of air in the system, so I have no brakes. See, managed to get some air, get air out of that. So we just tighten up this bleed nipple. Pedals start to feel a bit better. So I think just some more air out. I might have to take this strut brace off to get to the brake fluid reservoir. So that's this side, they're all buttoned up, all done. New pads and all bled. Still a bit of a resistance, but as soon as that disc cleans up it should be fine. And I'll show you what to do to get to the brake reservoir. Unfortunately, with the this bar, this strut brace goes right over the brake fluid reservoir, which can be a pain. So once you get it all off, two 14mm nuts that side and two 14 that side and a couple of 40mm bolts. Now it came. So gonna get the other side done, and that'll be the front brakes done. That's pretty much the same story on this side, and there's hardly any meat left on these pads, so I'm going to get rear pads as well. And sort of unfortunately I couldn't bleed the caliper on the other side. You can see how bad this exhaust is. So it's lucky I've got another one over there, boxed up. But anyway, I'll get this buttoned up on. I managed to break another stud on the other side, so that's two studs broken on that side. So just get this buttoned up. So next thing I'm going to do is get the paint off these wheels. They look awful, and like I said, it's been flaking off here. So get the paint stripper and get some paint stripper on these wheels. This is the stuff I got. I got it from Screwfix. So that's with childproof lids. Just tip it into here and paint it on. So you've got to leave it for a while. Slather it on. Well, I've left it for a while now, and you can see, oh look at that, it's all coming off. Could you scrape it off with my fingers? Anyway, since you're working a tree, anyway, I'm going to put it back in the garage and I'm going to leave it. I'll probably put a bit more strip on it, see if I can get more of this paint off. It's definitely working. Well, I'm going to end it for this particular video. So I've got a paint stripper on. I've had a look at brakes, so I'll get some rear pads ordered. I'm having to replace that caliper because I can't get the bleed nipple undone. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Questions, comments, you know where to put them as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you.